on a foundation repair. Here we are on a stem wall foundation, and this rebar right here is rusting. It's breaking out the side all the way down here. You can see that rebar right there, and we're cleaning it off. We're going to replace this one with new rebar that has rust inhibitor on it, and then we're going to reinstall it and then put a primer, our structural patch material, on here. It's going to come down to a smooth paintable surface. Then we're going to waterproof it from the top of the interior floor here on the outside down to the bottom of the support footing, which we have dug it out already. So we have this going on. We're one of the only companies here in Arizona that waterproofs and paints our repairs. Water has two detrimental attributes. One of them is what you just saw. Usually peels the paint off, and then starts this small crack, and this is only going to get worse and elongate and get larger. You can't stop it because of the fact that there's a low voltage electrical charge going on in the rebar, so you got to get into the rebar to take care of this cancer, if you will. And then inside we have floor grinding, and we're grinding this crack down so it's level, and then we're going to be stitching it. That's pretty loud in there, sorry. So we're going to install our stitches in where that crack is, perpendicular to the crack, and then we're going to insert number 4 bar in that joint. So we're cutting it like this, chipping that out, installing rebar with structural grout to secure that rebar into place. And this is going to help that keyway in those two separated slabs that move independently now are more stable, because what's going on this floor is a rigid material, tile. So we want to hold that into place as much as possible. However, the reason why these keyway joints are heaving upwards is because on the exterior of the house, the water is saturating the soil that's actually holding up the house. And the house is sinking, causing the interior floor to rise up at these keyway joints, which were installed when the floor was poured. So for more information, go to concreterepairman.com, or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.